Here's a sobering truth. Studies show that investors typically earn about 3% less per year than the market itself. Why? It's because they are their own worst enemy. While we obsess over finding the perfect investment strategy, the real killer of returns is staring back at us in the mirror. You'll fare so much better as an investor by simply avoiding costly mistakes.
I think it is for the vast majority of investors who are not professionals, the key rule to investment success. If you are at the level of Novak Djokovic, then hitting winners and finding the best shots is going to win you tournaments. But for the vast majority of us, it is really about making fewer mistakes and, if possible, avoiding mistakes that will make sure that you're going to win a match against your neighbor or your buddy with whom you play a match on the weekend.
But avoiding mistakes isn't as easy as it sounds. We're hardwired to make bad investment decisions. For Joachim Klement, the key is self-awareness, understanding how our emotions and biases sabotage rational decision-making.
What it will help you do is eradicate one mistake after another. As I always say, it's like we all make mistakes and we all make mistakes all the time. I am absolutely guilty of that. But my goal is that I would like to make new mistakes just to keep things interesting. Repeating the same mistake over and over is quite boring. And no, it's just basically if you repeat the same mistake over and over again, then you're just kind of destroying your own financial future. There are plenty of things that will be thrown in your way where you can make mistakes and where you will make mistakes. But over time, as you learn about your biases, as you learn about yourself, the mistakes you make will be less and less consequential.
There is another way to stop yourself sabotaging your own investments, and that's to work with a financial planner. Managing a client's behavior is an important part of what a modern financial planner does.
A financial planner is an independent third party who isn't as emotionally involved as you are. So this person can, and a good one always will, be a check on your behavioral biases, on your psychological pitfalls. He or she will actively question your desire to sell this, buy that. Which is why I always emphasize the need to have a financial planner rather than a financial advisor, because a lot of financial advisors work for firms, especially online, that are incentivized by you trading a lot. And that is, to me, the number one reason. It's to have somebody who is a consultant for you, who can check your biases and help you become a better investor.
Remember, your biggest problem as an investor isn't economic downturns or companies going bust. It's you. Learn to master your emotions and behavioral biases, and you'll improve your long-term outcomes. The sooner you start investing, the more you'll benefit from the power of compounding in the years ahead. If you're not already doing so, the single most important thing you can do for your future financial well-being is to get started. Here at TEBI, our preferred investment platform for UK investors is InvestEngine. It's cheap and easy to use, and you can be up and running within minutes. What's more, TEBI viewers who start investing with InvestEngine receive a welcome bonus of up to £100. The minimum initial investment is £100. To claim your bonus, click on the link in the bio or YouTube description, or just use the promo code TEBI.